I think the tire on my pressure washer has seen better days. I'm actually kind of scared of it. I'm gonna have to replace that. Oh, as you can see, the thing only gets used once a year. I'm gonna pressure wash the house. I'll take some video of that. But there, it's very dirty. So we'll be pressure washing all this. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today. I don't know. Basil plant. A truck. Yep. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya. Well, she blew out. Just sitting here. She finally let go. Scared the crap out of my wife. So I will be getting a new one today.